Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Izara and I'm from Tegal, Central Java.
Okay, I'm Najwa and I'm from Indramayu, West Java.
Okay, today we want to share and talk about the traditional culture from our hometowns. Indonesia has so many beautiful culture and each region has its own unique tradition.
Yeah, that's true. Every place has different art, dance, music, and celebrations. So today we will tell you about one traditional culture from our hometown. Okay, Izana, can you tell us about the traditional culture from Tegal?
Okay, of course, I will explain. Okay, in my hometown, Tegal, we have a traditional performance called ebek. Yeah, you can say ebek. Some people call us kuda lumping.
Oh, I think I have seen before. Isn't that the dance with the bamboo horse?
Yes, that's right. In this performance, the dancer uses a flat horse figure made from woven bamboo. The dancer rides the bamboo horse while dancing with energetic movement.
Okay, that sounds very interesting. What kind of music is used in the performance?
Okay, the performance is accompanied by traditional music such as kendang, gong, and other gamelan instruments. The music makes the atmosphere very lively and exciting.
Wow, so the dancers follow the rhythm of the music?
Yes, exactly. The dancer move according to the rhythm of the music, and sometimes the movement become faster and more energetic.
Wow, that must be very entertaining for the audience.
Yes, it is true. Many people enjoy watching ebek because the performance is very exciting and full of energy.
Wow, when do people usually perform ebek?
Okay, usually ebek is performed during village festival, wedding, circumcision celebration, and cultural events. Many people gather together to watch the performance.
Oh, so it is not only a performance but also a way for the community to celebrate together.
Yep, that's right. Ebek also show togetherness and cooperation because the dancer, musician, and organizers work together to make the performance successful.
Oh, does the ebek have a special meaning?
Of course, yes. The dance often represents bravery, strength, and the spirit of the community. It is also part of the cultural identity of the people in Tegal and the nearby areas.
Wow.
Okay, now I'm curious about your hometown culture. Rajwa, can you tell us about the traditional culture from your hometown in Indramayu?
Yeah, sure. In my hometown, we have a traditional performance called Singa Depok.
Singa Depok. That
Yes.
sounds interesting. What is it about?
Singa Depok is traditional parade performed from Indramayu, West Java. In this performance, people carry and move on a big lion figure.
Okay, a lion figure. That sounds unique.
Yeah, it is. The lion figure is usually colorful and beautiful, decorative. Sometimes it is placed on a platform and carried by several people.
So the lion moves during the parade?
Yes, the people who carry it move and dance while traditional music is played and performance is very lively and fun.
Okay, maybe that must attract a lot of people to watch.
Yes, many people gather to watch the parade. It creates a joyful and festive atmosphere in the village.
Okay, does Singa Depok also have a special meaning for the community?
Yes, it does. The lion symbolizes strength, courage, and happiness. It also represents the spirit of the community.
That's beautiful. Culture often has deep meanings behind the performance.
Yes, and Singa Depok also shows togetherness because many people work together to organize and perform the parade.
I think that's similar to Ebek, right?
Yeah.
Both tradition bring people together and make the community stronger.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, when do people usually perform Singa Depok?
usually during circumcision celebration, weddings, village festival, and cultural events.
Yeah. I heard that sometimes the child sits on the lion during the celebration. Is that true?
Yes, that's right. During a circumcision celebration, the child sometimes sits on the lion figure while it is paraded around the village.
Wow, that must be a very memorable experience for the child.
Yes, and the whole community celebrates together.
Wow, it's very, very interesting. Okay. Guys, from our discussion today, we can see that Indonesia has many unique culture.
Yes, each region has its own traditions, performance, and cultural values.
Even though Ebek and Singa Depok are different, they both show community spirit, celebration, and cultural identity.
That's why it is important for young people like us to learn about and preserve our culture.
By sharing this tradition, we can introduce our culture to more people.
And we can also make sure these traditions continue for future generations.
Okay. Thank you for watching our video and learning about our local culture.
We hope you enjoy learning about Ebek from Tegal and Singa Depok from Indramayu.
See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.